You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name from, of course, Harry Potter. So I guess the most important and, the big question here is the T silent or not? Of course, in the movie, it is said as Voldemort, but J.K. Rowling, the author of the book, confirmed on Twitter that the T is to be silent. Voldemort is how it should be said, even though the movie doesn't say it like that. I know, it's crazy. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.